600 square feet of private outdoor space. This is not a balcony. This is a backyard, 6 stories up, overlooking Mission Creek. I'm Burt Tsuei. This is 235 Berry Street. Let me show you the rest. You walk out the front door into Mission Creek Park. The boathouse is a block down, kayaks, paddleboards, and a paddle out to McCovey Cove on game days. Caltrain is a couple blocks away. Oracle Park is a short walk. Chase Center and Thrive City are one stop down the T-line. Mission Rock brought Flour Water, Arsicault Bakery, and Fieldwork Brewing across the street. Burma Love is over at Thrive City. And this month, Mission Bay School opened on Owen Street, the neighborhood's first public elementary school. Units in this building come up. 600 square feet of private patio on the water does not. If you want to stand out here before someone else does, give me a call or text me. I'll set up a private showing just for you.